And this is a little fold over tab from, again, Prima romance novel, I think. And this is where I was practicing my ink, and I just had the pad directly on there. I didn't know how to use the daubers. I didn't know a thing, obviously. Another Project Life card. These note cards, so obviously when I first started, I didn't have much. And anytime I had a gift card to Kohl's. And I was like, I really don't need any clothes or anything right now, but I want some crafting stuff. They're not going to have that there. Well, I looked and looked, and they had these note card sets, and each one is a different shape. This one looks like a ticket, and they each came with like matching envelopes. And I have the cards, the note cards with my journaling spots, and then I have the envelopes, you know, with my envelope stuff. So yeah, I bought that with my Kohl's gift card. This is another one of those pink legal sheets, legal pads. Again, I did it with the packaging. Tim Holtz Reinforcer, fussy cut from DCWB Heirloom. This is just a Project Life waterfall. I haven't done anything but add a thing from Heirloom. This is one of my favorite pads that I have been hoarding. Let me just show you. Okay, I'm back. I want to add really quick the cut apart. This that I was talking about. The paper pad is DCWVB Mine, and it's double-sided. It's really pale, but they're like pale pink hearts. Anyway, it was just sitting there, so I went ahead and checked while I was up. I love this for junk journals. I love the image. It's perfect, wide enough. It's already got the cream color. I love it. And I have been hoarding it. I only have about a third or a fourth of the pad left, but it's my favorite. And in this, I cut it in half. Why? I don't know. But also taped it together. This is from Heirloom, the scrapbook book. This is a Hobby Lobby brand pocket. This is some wiring holding together the ribbon. Like I said, I saved everything. This was the center of the branding strip where it has the hole. And I used it to make a little tab. And these are the actual tickets that came in this book. These are the Tim Holtz tickets. Another cut apart from Heirloom. Project Life card. This is an old Hobby Lobby paper bag. This one is gusseted, but I adhered the bottom on. What I also like to do is just adhere around the edge, and then this makes a pocket. So you have a pocket here, and then you would have a pocket at the top. So like usually if it doesn't have an image on the front, I would adhere this down and use this as the front. Anyway, this is what I'm talking about, one of my notebooks. I used to make mini books in my junk journals all the time. I love doing it. Now it's kind of become a thing, but anyway. Carrie gave me these brads. Look how cute. They have an acorn on them. Is it showing? Anyway, this is all out of this little manuscript paper. And again, this was from Heirloom. And that is it, my friends. Let me know if you want to see the other larger junk journals that I made, and I will find those videos and link them in the comments. I haven't done, you know, a ton of hauling on craft stuff because I wasn't doing my crafts at the time, and I wasn't going to go out and buy a bunch of craft stuff, you know. One thing I did get, and I have not opened these because I can't decide. I may go ahead and sell them because they're like unopened. These are really cool. They're from Hallmark. I can't find the year. They are bridge plastic coated playing cards. And they are unopened, still in the cellophane, but I love the flowers on here. That's why I bought them, so that I could use them in my junk journals. But I'm like, what if someone's like this card collector and they just really like it? And I don't know. I haven't decided. So that is one thing that I got. I also wanted to try, I know people have altered dominoes. I was like, it would be so fun to like alter some poker chips. Jesus, hold on, this thing came off again. I am a mess. Sudite. Anyway, I thought these would be a fun idea to alter. They're just like cute little circly poker chips that I got at the thrift store. Oh, dirt cheap. I think I got this whole thing for 50 cents or $1. So yeah, that's what I've been working on. Those are my old and new ideas. Just kind of wanted to share with you guys what I've been up to, what I intend on doing. And yeah, please let me know if you have any ideas on the reinforcing the old book pages. If they're standing alone, like if Mod Podge is the best way, or if I should use something else. Whatever you think, please let me know. Let me know what you think about the binding on the Traveler's Notebook. If I should leave it in the booklet form or keep the whole cover. If I should just bind it with a band so that I can take things in and out. Or should I permanently bind it? I don't know. Oh, I will show you these really quick. My mom also got me these for Christmas. They are heavy ATC card bases. So I'll probably be doing some stuff with those. So yeah, let me know what you guys have been up to. Let me know your opinion on this. And even on these little cards. What you think. Also, if you saw the last video,